Hi, this video is going to show you how you can use your crystal generator or your crystal knife. Now these crystals are a selenite. That means that they're self-cleansing, so they're not absorbing negativity. However, I highly recommend you leave them out at night to just actually power charge them up. They're already coded to take out the false matrix, take out curses, take out demonic energy. It's been coded through a process and over a 48-hour period to have the energy that dissolves all of this cabal control energy and everything that's the webbing and the webbing and the negativity that are put on our energy fields. Now this one is a generator. This one can be used in very many ways. Now you don't have to be a forensic healer to use these. You can use them without having any healing experience. You can just put them on your body where there's pain. What this does is you put the flat side down, perhaps over a chakra area, and it will infuse and send energy down to dissolve that negativity and anything that's programmed in or implants, curses, entities. It starts infusing in. I can already feel an energy blasting through your navel chakra. And it can do the same for the heart. Let's say, you know, like you've got a shattered heart, you've got black marks on your heart, you've got loss, you've got pain. That starts to blast all that out. Now, if you're using forensic healing, and when you need to, energize certain areas, you can just place them on the crown chakra. You can place them anywhere you like. The other great thing about using this is you can run the meridians. So you can run, down the side, the gallbladder meridian. You can use that instead of your hand to run the meridians, and it energizes the meridians. Like imagine doing the whole body, like running this and running through the lines of energy on your body, and it activates the chi. The other thing is this little point here, it's been used a bit. You can use it for reflexology. You can get in and do points on your feet. You can, like, let's say, on the hand has also got points. You can run the point and rotate on points on the feet, on the hand, and also the acupressure points. Be careful where it's more sensitive, because the hand also is reflexology and also represents the body. So this, and you can run it over pain areas. So if you've got pain, you can run it, say you've got, period pain, you can run it over any way you like. Just run it over the pain. And, you've got pain on your leg, you can run it in like that. So there's many uses for this crystal generator. And like just to align all of your chakras, you place it on each chakra, throat chakra, you start to align your energy. You can start up first thing in the morning and power yourself up with that. Now we have the Morrocan Selenite knife. Now this cuts cords and attachments, especially if you feel like you've been somewhere gruddy or you've got a negative connection with someone, you really want to get them out of your energy field, or also if you've got an illness, you want to cut that out, get rid of that illness, like they say, cut cancer out and so forth. This is symbolic of removing anything that's attached in your energy field. So, you can, like, let's say the back of the neck, if you turn your head, the back of the neck is where entities and implants are attached. You can even run it down there and cut them out. I can actually feel that one. Let's say, for an instance, an ex-boyfriend, one of those ex-boyfriends that's still trying to grip you. We can put the intention that we're cutting out the particular person that's had the most control, that's still manifesting that control energy on you, and I can run this over your body and start cutting out any attachments that they've put on you and taking out hooks and cords and anything like that. Are you feeling anything?
I'm actually feeling a bit more powerful.
And then I would also do, you know, run this down your back. You can use this on yourself. So you as a practitioner go, you know what, I feel groggy, I just got to clean myself up after a client. You can start releasing stuff off you. You've been to a certain place. Have the intention of what you're releasing. I mean, you can do a general cleanup, but you can go, you know what, I just want to get rid of the people from my past and a particular person, you know, an ex or someone that's not been particularly nice to you. I'm going to cut out all of the hooks and things that they've got in, because we create these energetic connections in our energy field. So you can clean yourself up. So it's really great as and you can also, you know, as the practitioner, energize all of your chakras as well. Yeah. So that's a really awesome way to utilize crystals that elevate the energy of a healing and give it the edge. How are you feeling?
Really good now.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to show you how to use the crystal on an animal. This is Warnie. He's my mama's boy. And you know, you can clean them up, or if they're going a bit crazy or if they're unwell, you can start releasing, you know, entities off them and just whatever connections they have. So I'm already yawning through this. And, you know, people that don't, you know, neighbours and things, if they don't like cats, they can kind of put their negative energy. So this is a great way to do on horses, dogs, cats, and particularly over an area that may be painful. And you just roll it through. So I'm just going to get him to lie down. Can you lie down for a sec? Thanks. We just want to do under your neck. Good boy. There we go. Then I can do it on the leg. And I can do it here. And then round here. So it's just like a cleanse, but if they're unwell, it's the intention to remove out their sickness or their pain or whatever they have. And if you have the generator, you can also just plant it on an area that they might have pain. You can also align their chakras. Here's his crown chakra. There's his third eye chakra. Here's his throat chakra. Let's have a look. We got solar plexus chakra. Hey? He's actually purring. If you want to know, he's purring. So he's feeling pretty good. All right, so you can be creative with your crystal on how to use it. He is purring and he loves it. So thanks for watching.